Stop scrolling and look at these numbers. We are witnessing the biggest wealth transfer to everyday experts in history. Right now, on Skool, ordinary people are building recurring monthly paychecks that dwarf a corporate VP's salary. I've charted out the revenue for the top communities on this page. And by the end of this video, you'll realize the life-changing benefits. Welcome to the Skool Discovery page, where anyone can find their niche and build a business around it. Here we have Pickleball and Calligraphy School. These communities are a perfect example of turning a hobby into recurring revenue. Moving to the business and self-improvement categories, Zero to Founder sits at 2.6K members, proving there's a massive appetite for high-value mentorship. School of Mentors follows suit with nearly 7,000 members. When you start doing the math, these numbers become life-changing. And the best part of all is that you can start a business in virtually any niche. From trading and finance communities like TFW Global, helping women build home-based businesses, to high-ticket consulting like ACQ Vantage, which commands a premium $1,000 monthly fee, and they are making over $900,000. Just multiply the member count by the monthly fee. Fitness is another titan on the platform that has been gaining popularity. Abi Crew shows a massive community of over 32,000 members. They are a very popular school community, so they must be doing something right. Abi Crew has made over $8 million with their school community already. Then you have the emerging tech niches, like AI Video Bootcamp, building a foundation of 18,000 students. Now let's look at the actual math. By multiplying the member count by the monthly fee, we see that these creators aren't just making a side income. They are building multi-million-dollar empires. Even niche academies, like photography, are generating over $40,000 a month in gross revenue. Whether it's art, sports, or business, the data shows that the community model on Skool is one of the most powerful ways to monetize your expertise in 2026 and beyond. Let me show you an example Skool community. First, let's head over to the About page to see what this community is really all about. Right at the top, you'll find a featured intro video. It is usually best at 1.2x speed to get through the gold quickly. This hub is designed as a one-stop shop for Skool strategies and monetization techniques. You can see we've got a thriving public community here with nearly 7,000 members already learning the ropes. It's run by Evelyn Weiss, who actually took second place in the very first Skool games. That's the kind of expertise you're getting. The value here is massive. You get a step-by-step video course, out-of-the-box Skool strategies, and even an exclusive interview with Alex Hormozi. And if you want to spread the word, just click invite. You can even earn a 50% commission for life for referrals. Everything is organized, so you don't have to go on a treasure hunt for the information you need. It's all right here, ready for you to dive in. The community feed is the heart of the hub. It's where you'll find real-time training updates and see who's climbing the leaderboards. Evelyn is constantly dropping new value, like this Claude AI artifacts training, to keep members ahead of the curve. Here you can see the leaderboard. But when you're ready to get to work, you'll spend most of your time here in the classroom. The curriculum is laid out in a logical flow, starting your group, scaling with ads, and long-term growth strategies. Let's dive into the foundation. This Start Your Skool module is a complete roadmap. Each lesson is bite-sized. Once you've finished a step, like setting up your community, you can check it off to track your progress. Beneath the videos, you get a massive written breakdown, a 12-step checklist covering everything from branding and pricing to automation and SEO. It's not just theory. In case you're setting up your Stripe integration or designing your About page, the instructions are right there. You can jump between lessons easily, making it simple to go at your own pace while ensuring no detail is missed. When you're looking for a specific niche or just browsing for inspiration, Skool's Discovery page is the best place to start. But if you're ready to stop consuming and start leading, you can jump straight into building your own brand. This is where the magic happens. Skool helps you turn your passion into a business that can be discovered by millions. The proof is in the numbers. You've got creators in every niche imaginable, making life-changing monthly revenue. From teaching the art of calligraphy to building a massive sports community like Pickleball School, which is doing over $60,000 every single month. Dating and relationship coaching is huge, and personal development groups are seeing massive success, with some hitting nearly $50,000 per month. Even tech focus groups, like AI training, are absolutely exploding right now. It doesn't matter how niche your skill is. If you can teach it, There's an audience for it. Mindset and spiritual communities are thriving, proving that value comes in many different forms. Fitness and health continue to be top performers for consistent, recurring income. And then you have the heavy hitters, financial education groups that are clearing 6 figures a month. That is the power of a structured community. The ceiling is incredibly high when you provide real value. So what are you waiting for? It's time to start your own Skool community today.